on here?
Sí, mira, lo puedes conectar ahí y
Here, I'll show you.
haces un video de... Es una música.
And I can plug this in here and watch it on the TV too.
It's really cool. So it's like little browsers. 14 free music passes back in the box too. That's really cool. 14-day music pass.
Mm-hmm.
For Zune Pass. I love Zune
And
Pass.
this is high definition.
Wow. This is high definition.
Okay, there's our remote.
So these are the accessories that come with it, or that
Yep.
are advertised.
No, this is sold separately.
Okay, sold separately. Then on the back was it just like how to use it?
Yeah.
Oh, I was actually going to play that.
Okay.
And you can do the
This
360.
one right here is,
Okay, so you can do the
this one here is
360.
$219.
You can also check out Zune.net, Zune Pass, HD radio. You can also hook it up to a computer.
$289.
You can also just see on the marketplace. It's really cool.
280 light.
Did you want to see the Heroes one? Is that the one you wanted?
It's really cool. Looks like kind of quick walkthrough there. Alright, this is 6 cable. And then just regular headphones.
Yep, and then you get the...
Okay. It's really cool. Yeah.